Hey, how y'all doing? Son's right there. Hey, how you doing? How your mama now? Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Are we buzzing now? I think I got it fixed. I figured out what the problem is. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Run that intro. We'll talk about stuff. Talking about stuff. Stuffing things. Stuffing. Good. It's stovetop and I helped. No, that was shake and bake. Anyway, run that intro. Folks, welcome to Blue Bike, back to Blue Bike Indoors channel. Elevation's 1,200 feet above sea level at 66 degrees. It was a cool morning this morning. It was nice, no humidity, but that's not lasting for long. I like cool mornings and low humidity. I like to be out riding about 7 o'clock this morning, but no, or 6 something. I should have. Ray Gregory Ride had a ride. There's a bunch of stuff going on this weekend. June 8th. There's the Traveling Tall event that was going on Friday and Saturday up in Knoxville, Tennessee. I know TD 205, he went up there. I started to leave out Friday morning early and go up there. And then I was thinking about another ride I want to do, but maybe some other time when the wife's off. Like I said, Ray Gregory's Fury Falcon over in Conyers, Georgia. That's on the other side of Atlanta. That's the bad part. It's on the other side of Atlanta. He's on the east side and I'm on the west side. And maybe he'd have contacted me a little earlier. I might have made arrangements to run over and spend the day with him at the Fury Falcon. Figure out which way I want to go. I want to go this way. But yeah, that's all I got for you right now. So we'll see you when we get to meet everybody over at the gas station we're meeting at in Bremen, Georgia. Woo, that's got cool. It's 68 degrees, but a little dippy on the arms in the shade. But anyway, we'll talk to you in a few. Hey, look at here. Guess we're missing 2 people. I'm the only 2-wheeler. I seen this guy, not that guy, but this guy right here. I see he walking around. I thought, then I realized that wasn't his hair. He got a bandana, what do you call it? Do-rag, I guess. So, I guess it's playing that radio. So that's where the Kool-Aid man ran through it. I guess they're stripping it down. I hope they just do it not $15 for a car wash. Alright, so we're going to take a nice country ride through the Georgia back roads, and we'll see you when we get to Atlanta Harley-Davidson. Never been around this road. Oh look, a Dollar General. You don't see many of those. Head games. Playing head games. Alright, Lee, you want to get it in gear now. Come on now. I'm the only two-wheelers. That's a gas farm, or what they call it, a tanker farm? Tanker farm, yeah. Got oil, gasoline, I guess, in it. This is what you get when you ride with a bunch of trikes. Just kidding. Damn, car. Slow down a little bit there, don't you? She was scooting and booting down through there, wasn't she? Yuking and booting. Only thing you gotta watch out for these roads is kicking up gravels into that belt. But you take it slow and easy, stay off your front brakes and nice and smooth and pick your line, stay in the car tracks, you'll be doing just fine. Waiting on my dirt bagger, Mr. Mustache now, just proving that I've rode on dirt roads. Welcome to Atlanta. We ain't in Atlanta, but we in Atlanta traffic. CBD gummies. I bet she done had some. Well, we got about 2 miles to get down here to the Harley store. To get the Thornton Rd, another mile, and then a mile to the store. Harley store, yard selling, flea market weekend. Saturday. And this is why he got shorts on. But that's okay, he's one of them grubs. Why I don't like going to Atlanta. Just look at this traffic. Must be a wreck on I-20 because I-20 is just over there, and this is a lot of traffic on 78. Yep, how do, friend? Woohoo! What the hell? Oh yeah, woohoo! What the hell? Damn, dude. We couldn't see you for the damn cars coming out. You just dudding your way out there. There's the sign. Turn right here. So we made it. No through traffic. Where you going? Why don't you go this way? Went around in front of the store. I guess because he's on a Harley, he don't want nobody to see him. Get in there. There goes the stunt biker. He liked to fail. Just gave you a view. Dirt ass road. At demo days. Hey, we left Harley-Davidson. We was going right over to Atlanta, but it's 1:42 now. They fighting Atlanta traffic, so we're gonna fight Atlanta traffic. Go north on 278 up to the Big D, Little D, and I mean Dallas, Georgia. And Bikers Gone Wild, BGW. I can't talk. Leaving Bikers Gone Wild, Dallas Market. So we're gonna enjoy our ride back to the Tallapoosa, Georgia. 15-2. Ooh, look, a concert hall. Kinda. So anyway, you can go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. Look like we turning here.